Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So for this one, that is about a minus b. So we want to create about this one to cancel about the root. So we need to have a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 3. So to create about this one, we need to multiply by a square plus ab plus b square on the denominator and numerator. And that should be like this. So we simplify this one and we have like this. So s minus s we cancel. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.